So I dyed my hair last night.
Chow?
Yeah.
What accessories are you
They're all in my room. Yeah.
And they're all sleeping.
Get ready with me, y'all.
Ow.
Gosh. Happy birthday to you. Aish. I go. Happy birthday. Ow. I dyed my hair again, guys. O, diba? It's darker na. Para mag-abot na sa school. Wala na problema. Kamusta si Kandaza? Kamusta si Kandaza? Saan ako tulad ng lakas? Parang wala ka rin ito pag-asa.
It's my friend's birthday.
Today?
Mm-hmm.
Did you say happy birthday?
Uh-huh.
What did they say?
Thank you. I'm nice, don't worry. Oh my god, I'm freaking dry. When you wash your face, so it's like after you do makeup, do you do like what do you call this? After you do makeup, you wash your face with cleanser, you put toner,
Yeah.
serum, and I forgot. Do you put moisturizer first though?
No, you do toner, whatever serums you have, and then like me, I use hyaluronic acid,
I do.
and then yeah, I put that on my face, and then I put moisturizer, and then I put sunscreen, and then you do your makeup.
Shit, bro.
Why?
Oh,
Oh, you put
I have moisturizer now.
what did you forget to put?
2 of them.
What? Which one?
Toner, serum.
That's okay. Are you still gonna do it?
No.
Yeah. So then just do.
No, like after makeup.
What you don't put it after me.
No. I mean like when I take it off.
Oh, when you take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, toner, serum, then your
Moisturizer.
hyaluronic acid or whatever.
Yeah.
Then moisturizer, and
Moisturizer.
then you sleep.
Okay. You got me here like thinking there for a second. Do you have eyelash?
Huh?
Do you have eyelash?
No, this is mine. I'm not sure. I think it's Bella.
Yeah, it's Bella.
Hi, guys. Get ready with me. Charot. Hi, Nate. How are you? Oh, shit. Hi, guys. So, today. Hi, Nate. How are you? How are you, friendly? Are you feeling better? Aish. It's so wet. I shouldn't put it there. That's good. What's in here? Good to know. Did you go sa activities score? I go. I don't have anything.
unlock the door while
Did you go sa school, yo?
Gang. Get ready.
Hit me. You gotta put the moisturizer. Yeah, what the fuck is happening? Oh, what's mine? Sapat na Let's see what I have now.
Chell,
Yeah?
do you have any more beauty blender?
No, I don't.
So I'm trying out new products, y'all. So we're gonna use Dior. Saan ako tuloy na?
We might sleep over at Indai's house later.
Today?
Since tomorrow they're going to Niagara. Yeah.
Yeah, but my parents aren't going.
I know.
You're going to Niagara?
No. I mean, like, we're gonna sleep over at Indai's house because Yay is not gonna be here tomorrow.
So that's good. No?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, interesting. I can ask Leah to come in there.
Yeah.
Is Bella sleeping there too?
I think so.
So we can ask Leah to come in there.
Pretty sure we're on all.
Hi. B-boy. Let's go live. Let's go live, B-boy. B-boy. Love. Wala. Why did you decline? So mean. Ay, hindi magla-live. Why? So mean, ha? I'm putting stuff. Wait, I dyed my hair again.
The time. Hi, John.
Oh my God, B-boy.
Why man, oy?
Ang dilim here.
It's okay. Magtutok tayo. Because I'm doing my makeup. Naway ka mo gasulod sa klase. Kamu bala? Ay, abo. Ara siya ya.
Ano daw?
Dahil hindi siya nakakaintindi.
Ba't ka andyan?
Siyempre.
Uwi na bukas, mamaya.
Uwi na siya mamaya.
Tas hindi ka pa natutulog, no? Ang galing mo talaga.
Hapon pa
Yes
naman.
na yes for you.
Yes.
Hapon pa naman yun.
Hapon pa naman.
Graduate na lang.
Pero naging brunette na ako.
Ano?
Brunette na ako.
Anong brunette?
Hindi mo alam yung brunette.
Ah, nagpakulay siya ng buhok, girl. Slow mo naman.
Wow, ang slow mo din, oh.
Hindi.
Ha?
Huwag ka nag-isip ka din.
Hindi.
Hindi ah.
Di mo nga alam ko yung brunette.
Malay ko ba? Ay, may nag-chat. Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon.
Hindi ka mababasa, malabo ang akin.
Ano, sayang, hindi mo na kita yung... Ay, hindi.
Ay,
Hindi siya
mo
nag-send.
makita.
So ano, Jel? In-invite mo kami here para iwan?
Ikaw daw mag-entertain for the most of the views.
Why people, this is our life today.
Ay, hindi ka mag-vlog.
Hindi pala to.
Tanya! Tanya.
So this,
Paano pa ito nagiging get
guys,
ready?
we're so bored here. Nasa,
I
ba't
swear.
palis tayo ngayon? Ay, hindi. Nakakatamad umalis.
Okay.
So, Jill, where are you going?
So,
Please say.
today, I'm gonna go hop on, hop off.
Huh?
I'm going city tour.
Oh, city tour. So, what time is it there?
Ay,
It's
English.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. Oh. Also here, it's 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m.
It's 1 a.m. there because it's 1 p.m. here.
Yeah.
12
That's
hour difference.
Ha?
12 hours difference.
Goni. Gobi, naging life today. Nakakapagod.
Very yung life ngayon.
The life is
I
lifing.
know. It's life first.
Yes. So,
Gusto naman yung school. Nagsa-school pa ba kayo?
school kami kagapon. No, lagi kami kaklase, ya.
Yung pag
Bal,
kita agad mo ni Jennifer?
gini pa ginangita niya kami ito. Wala mas ito naman. Uy, hindi pwede mag-ano. Ari kita sa main.
Uy, hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede mag-backstab. Doon sa main.
Sa life ngayon, B. Huwag
Dahil-
kang ganyan.
Bakit? Ano yan?
Uy!
Uy, 24 hours kayo yung mat. Ay, hindi tayo.
Flash pantay.
Hindi tayo alis na naka-short.
Ano, kakain tayo sa labas. Harry, ano na, hindi ka na nakabalik here, ha?
You're scaring me.
Ikaw muna eh.
I forgot, I don't have a brush.
Everyday ko may heart. Oh my God, Taylor. Ano ba naman itong kausap ko?
I don't know where my blush brush is.
Ay, ayoko mag-alis na.
You have
Isa.
blow dryer? No.
Sumama ka na.
So guys, so I'm going to
So, nakaupat Anjali. Kasi may nangyari sa aming dalawa.
Oy,
Hindi.
Sublang ako sa'yo.
Hindi pwede.
we're gonna try.
So, Joey went to Iloilo pala kanina. Kaming tatlo lang.
Huh?
Bella, is there anyone in the
We went to Iloilo.
Kulang?
Yes, kaming tatlo lang.
Who's the other guy?
It's Tata! Over there. She's dead.
Anong ilo-ilo?
Hindi ka magagawa ng kwento.
Anong kwento na ikakasira natin?
Siyempre, it's a prank. Hindi kami gagawa ng kwento kasi bad yun. Ay, lang kami din sa house. We're stuck here.
I-live mo si Angel dun sa main account ko, babe. I-live mo sa main account ko, girl.
Main account ko to.
Hindi, main account ko nga.
Oh, sige.
Like, tayo mag-join sa kanya.
Sige.
Ano mga pangalan? Ay, main.
Ko to ha? Dump ko to.
Dap niya to.
Wala pala ako dump.
Ang OA, masyado.
Okay. Sa 2 million viewers.
Yeah, that's the 2
Hello,
million.
Hana Banana.
So, what if sumali ka nga dito, Day?
Hmm?
Sumali ka dito.
Pwede ba 3?
Tanga, pwede nga 4 eh.
Ay, sorry na. Hindi nga ako nakapalo sa account sa dump niya.
Mag-join ka sa akin, i-add kita.
Ayoko.
Tapos
Hindi
magli-leave
ka
ako.
mag-aarte.
Tapos magli-leave ako. O, di ba? May nanood na sa atin.
Ano mo gawin?
Ano ba naman itong tao na to?
Sorry,
Sorry.
millennial kasi ako.
Mag-request ka dyan, Day. Di ka ba nag-join sa mga live?
No?
Ayun o.
Si Angelica talaga, main ko to
Oh,
eh.
Angel, i-accept.
Uy, si Tita Pinky!
Hata.
Ano?
Di naman yung
Binks. Ay, Angel, i-accept. Ano ba naman tong tao na to? Angel,
Ha?
i-accept.
Shit ka mo, no?
In-accept mo.
ano to?
Siyempre, ay, anak ko, ano ba namang taong to?
I'm very old.
So, anong trip nyo? Magla-live kayo sa main, tapos ano?
So, ano?
Ganito lang. Ganito lang.
Ganito lang ang
So,
buhay.
paano na yan? Ano na mangyayari?
Naka-live ka na ngayon. At ngayon, kwento mo na buong buhay mo.
Ayan, no.
Alam mo.
Hello, guys. Welcome to B-Boys Live.
Yeah. Welcome to live. Welcome to live. Hindi ka maganda.
Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko.
Kat ka talaga, no?
Why?
Ang dami!
B-Boy man yan, oy.
Yan ako, oy.
Hi, guys.
Ay.
Hindi ko alam sabihin ko, girl. I'm supported.
Ay!
Hindi ka mag-vlog.
So today, guys, magmamakdo kami. Punta kami sa Ay! Tara na. Latte. Let's
Can you
make
help
it
me
better.
here?
Bakit ako sa mga followers mo?
Ay, hindi ko
Ay,
yan.
kayo. I-add mo nga yan, Angelica.
Ano?
I-add mo nga yan.
Sabi na naman. Dump account lang naman yan.
Friend. Sige na nga, bye guys. Magmamakdo muna kami. Tawag ko kasi dito na mag-live live ko. Bye. Ay, si vlog naman siya. Si blower lang siya.
Blower is
Bye
ako eh.
everybody.
Blower for the blower muna tayo.
Angel, do you have powder?
Na ako dyan.
What powder?
Like setting powder?
Ay, hindi ako kinig.
Di ka pinapag-
Doon wala mong ginag-full coverage kaysa babaw.
You're too not. Ay, hindi.
Hi, Trail.
Hi.
How are you? Good, how are you?
Okay, bye girl. Popsicle.
Puti mo tanan.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.
Angel, makinig ka sa akin. Angel.
Bukto na si
Hindi sila nakikinig.
Ha?
Di ba uso makinig sa inyo dyan?
Si Bel, kung gawagok.
Gahuragok.
Or,
Bel, can you move? I-show ko kay Mami na light. Isa light mo.
say hi!
Hi.
Wow, okay, your first day. Which one? She said that this one is the green one. Yeah.